Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Payoneer two-step verification code not received. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the first thing what we need to work out is which two-step verification code was received so we can check. So Payoneer may send codes via these three different ways. So we got SMS, email, or the Authenticator app. So this can be Google Authenticator, Authy, etc. Now, if we're not getting those codes sent via SMS, we need to check your phone signal. So a weak signal will block one-time password delivery. Turn airplane mode on and off. Restart your phone. Check for SMS blocking. So if you use an SMS blocker apps, do not disturb or carrier spam filters. They might block short codes. Remove any SMS forwarding. So forwarding can delay or block code messages, or try another mobile number. So Payoneer sometimes block carriers that fail repeatedly. Now, if you're not getting any email codes, what we can do is head on over to our emails and check your spam junk folder. So, for example, if I've used Gmail, I'm going to come over to Gmail and click onto more and click onto spam and have a look inside of here to see if it's getting sent here. Even look at trash as well, or we can go in and click on all mail. And now we can do a search as well. So generally they're going to you're going to get these codes from do not reply at payoneer.com. So search for that inside of your mails, and also no reply at Payoneer. Search that and try and find those codes that way.